Here's a Lexmark T644 printer. We wanted to show you a few steps that we take to rebuild one of these printers. It actually takes us about 2 to 3 hours to rebuild one of these. A lot of companies will just blow these printers out, test them to make sure that they work, but we go to the length of removing the exterior panels, washing the exterior panels, cleaning out the interior of the printer. You can see that this printer happened to have a toner in it, and this is pretty common. The toner cartridge leaks a little bit of toner. There's normally an assembly that sits right there, and then that toner gets on this circuit board, so we clean all that out. If I turn the printer to the back, the fusing assembly has been removed. We rebuild the fuser. Oftentimes the fusers will have flat spots in the lower pressure roller, or bad bearings, or an upper fuser roller that needs to be replaced. So we rebuild the fuser, and any parts that need to be replaced or any parts that are broken, we replace those. Then the printer gets sent to final QC. We do a test on the communication with the printer, the serial and network ports, and then it goes to packaging, and this is what it would look like when it's done.